Arthur. Arthur. You doing? It's me. Give kisses. Good boy. Yeah, we're still here. We're still alive. Don't you worry. Come on. You're probably thinking, yeah, how does man like Hoodstig, man like Mud, still keep active, still keep positive, even when his channel has been hacked, deleted, and I can't even do anything? The second channel is still on YouTube and I can't access it because it's under the same Gmail account. Mad. I can't see myself because I'm using an iPhone. But straight away, man, I'm just going to be straight honest. Arthur, come on, boy. What's going on, boy? On a serious note, it's been 9 days straight. Still ain't got nothing. I've done numerous amount of Twitter account, like shout outs to YouTube support, trying to get help. A big shout out to Danny from Dino Days YouTuber, who has actually contacted YouTube for me because I can't go into YouTube Studio. I can't go onto Gmail accounts, but he has. Hello. And because of that, YouTube have contacted me, but they just made me fill in a form, which you fill in the form. It's called a hijacked form for people when their account gets hacked, basically, so that they can try and get their Gmail account back because somebody else has logged in, changed all the verification, changed the password, changed the number, changed the backup stuff, and basically they now own the Gmail account and the YouTube channels that I've got. They actually own Hoodstig too. How crazy is that? In the blink of an eye, within like minutes, because they got bots. These hackers are absolutely unbelievable. Yeah, if you're watching this, you got my channel, bro. You've got my Gmail account. Well done. Like, fair play to you. Wherever you learnt that, or like hire up person that's paying you to do that, fair play. Like, do what you gotta do. And you know what? The most strongest thing to do, for me, is to forgive you, because like, you know, you're uneducated and you've got to do something that, you know, is tarnishing someone's success, to which for me it doesn't, because at the end of the day, it's a hobby for me to post videos of cars, and that's it. Look at that. Like, I would rather that not get affected than, you know, Arthur having a sad day, which we need to feed you some food. So that's it. So that's the update so far. But I just thought, I'm still carrying on grinding. I've still done a 9 to 5 shift. I've still, like I said, emailing YouTube non-stop. I'm not stopping. I'm still being positive. I'm still saying hi to everybody. Got a private Hoodstig community. That's it for the members, because I've had to tell them to cancel their membership subscription for the Hoodstig 2 channel because I can't access it, and I don't know if I'm even getting the revenue or the hacker has taken the banking details of mine and everything. I've all got that under control, but it's not me. It's the Lord Almighty above that allows me to be patient, to allow me to practice all these qualities for a number of years. That's why I can remain calm and obviously deal with everything that we need to. The sun keeps going up, the world keeps on turning, the time keeps on tick tock. So that's it. Talking about that, I'm still gonna I'm gonna post more on Instagram and TikTok because I can't post on the main Hoodstig channels anymore. So like I said, you're watching this from a new channel that I've made, in the hopes that maybe some people from the Hoodstig channel will see it, you know, because they might be like, oh my god, he's ghosted us, he's disappeared. But I haven't. I'm still here, boy, and Arthur's still here. Hey, don't worry, we're gonna feed you, boy. We're gonna feed you, boy. Even if the channel gets hacked, don't worry. You're sitting on a boosted K20 Civic that we built on the channel, the boosted K20 FN2, the Sora, which we need to be fixing because the spark plugs have gone proper black, which I have bought some brand new spark plugs, right? NGK, yep, mechanic Arthur, your job hasn't finished yet. Arthur, you've been walking on the car again. Why are you walking the car again? I'm supposedly pushing 400 brake horsepower, but it's an auto. Don't hate me. You can see, like, the spark plugs are completely. Look at that. Look at the graphite. Got some new spark plugs in the hopes that eliminate this. When it runs, it burbles and it's just misfiring a bit. So I'm hoping the spark plugs will fix that, which it makes sense why it's black. Arthur, we're gonna feed you. We're gonna feed you. Oh, we just need to give a bit of an update. So, like I said, at the minute, 9 days, no YouTube, no nothing. It's been absolutely hectic and crazy. But like I said, life keeps on, the day keeps on going without fail. So we're still working. This is I was supposed to upload a video, but I can't. Was the roof starlights for the EVO 8 build. The Skyline is going to be coming out for the Skyline car show event in August, July. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Bad boy. That's what made the main channel Hoodstig. Could you believe it? 2019. We're in 2026. 7 years we've had that Skyline. 7 years. Absolutely madness. So, and again, the EK Civic. Look at that for a steering wheel. You like that? Arthur chose that, by the way. He clicked it and I got the steering wheel. FN2 Type part is still running. Just I had to transfer the spark plugs onto the EK Civic, which Marcus Schneider helped start the EK Civic because I had starting issues with it, which I have recorded so much content on that Civic, and I just have to edit it up and upload it. I'm hoping the channel will come back, and if it doesn't, we'll just upload it on this channel that you're watching now. There's not much video of an update. Just talk to you guys, share some positivity. If anybody's going through any tough situation in their life or anything, just know that the Lord will never, put something hard on you. He'll never burden your soul more than it can handle. So if you're going through something, just know that it's a test from the Lord just to make you stronger. You know this term they say, what doesn't kill you make you stronger. I'm not trying to say believe in yourself. Believe in the Lord, have faith in the Lord, but most importantly is also reassuring your strengths and your quality, and being, because if you keep on thinking about oh no I've lost this, oh no this and that, you create anxiety, and then when you've got anxiety is not good for you, and stress is not good for you, and then you can't operate. You need to be able to operate, and in the most nicest possible day, the most possible day is just constantly being, give gratitude every day and to the Lord. Look at this, I'm so thankful that Arthur is here, and he is so thankful. He's so thankful. Back a couple of years ago when we got Arthur, he's actually 13 years old. He was a stray cat in RSPCA, and when we first got him, he wouldn't eat any food. You give him Dreamies, the drugs that cats like, he wouldn't have any of it. He wouldn't eat for days. But now he's living his best life. And this is a real life example. He was depressed. He was actually depressed. And obviously, if you guys on the main channel that know, Hoodstig 2, when we did live videos, he's all right. Look at him. He's excited. Broke the iPhone. Look, he's excited. No. Look. Yeah. Whatever it is that you're going through, it's all good, my bro. Keep working. Don't go in limp mode. Work. Have faith in the Lord. Work for the Lord's sake, and don't stop. Keep it going, keep it rolling, keep positive, and share the message, because that's what it's about. Keep smiling. Right, so let's feed Arthur right now. Look at that nice setting. Yeah. Oh, yeah, say hi. Oh, what are you doing, Arthur? Is he on the Skyline? There he is. Let's go. There we go. Kiss. We're going to leave it at that. And maybe give an update on another day when I get the time, because I'm busy as anything. I work a full-time job and working on cars and sorting out lots of business and things outside of work. I will give an update when I get a chance. Might be tomorrow, might be in the next couple of days, might be next week, but I will try to be consistent on this channel now that you guys are watching it. But yeah, say bye-bye, Arthur. Good boy. Legend. If you're new to this channel, we did have a YouTube channel called Hoodstig, the cap right here and on the sticker right here, with 24,000 subscribers. If you do actually want to help, just comment down below and say, YouTube, help this guy get his Hoodstig channel back. Something on the lines of that. Subscribe if you're new here. We've been doing this for the last 5 years, building cars and providing car content to everybody, and motivation and inspiration, and just a brotherhood of community where we can all, get a place where we can motivate each other and build our dream cars. So on that, subscribe, hit the bell notifications so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye. Kiss.